3-story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, parking sensors, steering wheel controls, blind spot monitor. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2017 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, electronic stability control, security system, compass, power windows, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.